Hello everyone, today we are going to show you a demonstration of a Cisco packet tracer, how to establish a small, how to make a small and simple network. And for that we need a Cisco packet tracer, which we can download from the Cisco website. I will leave the link in the description. And for using a small network, so to make a small network, we are using two switches, one router, and end devices, few end devices, as much as you want. But I'm just taking four end devices to make it simple and easy for the understanding for everyone. So we are taking four end devices, and now we need a cable which is suitable with these, which is copper straight over cable, a straight through cable. So we have two ports in our router, so we are using 0/0 for our first switch and 0/1 for our second, and same we are using our other ports from the switch for our end devices. I would like to use the first in the ascending order because it's good practice, so you will know how many ports are left for you if you want to make any increasement in your end devices. So here we are done with it, and now we are going to configure our router, and we will be doing it for through command line interface. And first it's asking about the dialog. We just say no, and en means enable to go to another mode, like configuration T to go to an global configuration mode. And we will be doing some security things here. We will making our router secure. So first command is enable password Cisco. The password itself is CISCO, which I type. You can use anything. So I'm using Cisco, and enable secret password is the another password, and we were using it Cisco 1. And same again, you can use anything. Now we have to secure our console line, and we will be using this command, and the password is Cisco 2. And after giving the, and yeah, make sure you're not giving any space between the password. And after giving that command, we have to use the command login and then exec. Now we are going to secure our VTY line, and the password we are giving is Cisco 3. And after that we have to use the command log in and exec. Now I'm going to show you, like, it's saved here. The first password is encrypted, second one is shown. Everyone can read that password if somebody tried to get in our router. And the other passwords console and VTY is also visible in a simple text. Now we are going to make them encrypted. So for encryption, just type service password dash encryption. You can just write few words and press the tab key. You will be get your whole command, and now it's secured. Going to do a configuration of our so yeah, first I will show you the passwords which we set. It's asking for the password, and we use enable command, and it's again asking for the password. So every time anybody try to get in our router, he needs a password. So now we are going to configure our switches, and the command we are using int is interface fast ethernet 0/0, and the IP address I'm using, you can use anything. I'm using 192.168.10.10, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And we have to give command no shutdown, and the short form of that command is no shut. And this is for the first switch, as you can see here. Now we are going to do our second switch, and we have to use the same command, but FA0/1. And the IP address I will be giving to this is 192.168.20.10, because it's another subnet. And subnet mask is 255.255.255. So no shut command is there again. So I gave IP addresses to our two switches. So now I will show you. So these are the IP addresses which we gave. Like, we have two subnets right here, and it's connected through fast Ethernet. And now we are going to give the IP address, static IPs, to our end machine. So we have to go to the desktop IP configuration, and then we will have to give the IP address which we are going to give to this PC, dot 10.11, and default gateway is the IP address of our switch, dot 10.10. Same what we did for the first PC we have to do for the second PC, but the IP address should be different, 192.168.10.12, and then this subnet mask, and then the default gateway. And now we will try to send a packet from one PC to another within the subnet, and it's going good, it's successful. So we'll be doing the same thing for our second subnet, which is like dot 20. So we gave dot 20.11 and the default gateway dot 20.10, and the same for the second one, 192.168.2.20.12, 255.255.255.0, 192.168.20.10. Now we'll be trying to send a packet. It's successful, working good. Now we'll try to send the packets from one switch to another switch with the help of the router. So mostly at the first time when we send the packet from one switch to another, it's a failed, as you can see there. But try again with the same PC, it will be successful. Normally at the first time it do this, and we are trying with other PCs, it will say failed, but for the second time it will start working good. So we are trying from that PC. It's, as you saw, it's saying failed again, and now it will be successful. Now I'm trying to do the vice versa. It's successful. Failed again. Send successful. Now we will try it through command prompt. To command prompt we have to type ping 192.168.10.11, the first PC we are having in our first switch. So it's giving us the reply. Now the second PC is also giving the reply, so it's working good. Now we'll try from there. It's not important, but I'm just showing if we are getting reply from one side, it means like it's working good. I'm just showing you to ping from the other side too. So we are getting the reply, 0% loss. And now the other PC. So this was the little demonstration for our basic and the small network. And the other thing, if our all this configuration is working good, we have to save it. And first I'm just showing you the IP addresses of our switches. Now we'll be saving this command is wrong, we have to do a copy running. Just press tab, it will give you the half command. Then the next thing, startup configuration, tab, enter, it's saved. Exec. Now I will just try the passwords. Is it working good? Yeah, passwords are working good. So thanks for watching our simple demonstration. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.